Have you ever been so happy about a new friend that you handed them everything? Your best spot, your best secrets, your whole map, and then woke up to find them sitting in your chair? This squirrel gave a fox a guided tour of her highest branch. She even pointed out the best grips on the way up. At the top of the tallest tree in the forest, a squirrel had the best address in the whole place. From her branch, she could see every part of the forest. She knew when rains were coming before they arrived. She had first pick of the sweetest fruit because she was always highest and always first. Her spot was not luck. She had spent 2 full seasons climbing, testing branches, finding the route that no other animal had mapped. Below her tree, a fox started showing up each morning. The fox never climbed. She just sat at the base of the tree and called up kind words. She brought large leaves and set them at the roots. She told the squirrel that the view from up there must be the most beautiful thing in the whole forest. She came back the next morning, and the next. The squirrel started looking forward to seeing her there. After 2 weeks, the fox asked one question. She said she had always wanted to see what the top of a tree felt like. Just once. Just to understand what the squirrel's life was like. The squirrel climbed down, stood beside the fox, and took her up. She showed her the first grip, the second branch, the narrow section where you had to turn sideways. She pointed out where the wood was soft and where it held firm. She showed her the fruit cluster at the top and gave her the 3 ripest ones. The fox ate them and looked out at the forest from the highest branch and said it was everything she had imagined. The squirrel felt like the best friend in the forest. That night, the squirrel slept on her branch the way she always did, curled against the trunk, tail over her nose. The fox stayed in the tree. She had paid close attention to every grip, every turn, every soft spot. She moved up the root in the dark without a sound. The squirrel woke at sunrise and stretched. She rolled her weight forward the way she did every morning, reaching for her spot on the outer branch. The fox was already sitting on it. The squirrel lost her grip on the bark and dropped 4 branches before catching a lower one. She hung there and looked up. The fox was already eating from the fruit cluster, looking out at the forest with the same calm face she had worn at the base of the tree for 2 weeks. The squirrel had no way back up. The fox knew the route better than the squirrel had expected. Every time the squirrel climbed, the fox moved to block the branch. The squirrel spent 3 days on the lower branches, waiting. Then the fruit at the top ran out. The fox came down, walked to the base of the next tallest tree, and started looking up. She did not look back. The squirrel returned to her branch. Empty now, fruit gone, and the route to the top no longer a secret she owned alone. Show a friend your view. Never show them your footing. The fox did not want the squirrel. She wanted the branch. If that felt familiar, hit like and subscribe, because next week, another animal is about to hand over exactly what they should have kept to themselves.